Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Roblox that allows you to showcase your college right on your profile. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open your Discord app. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure you download it from the official website and log into your account. Once you're in the app, look for the More icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal dots. Click on that icon to reveal a menu where we can access your profile settings. Next, select Profiles from the drop-down options. This will take you to the section where you can customize your profile information. It's a great way to express yourself and share a bit more about your college experience. Now, scroll down until you find the About Me section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can type in the name of your college and any other details you want to include. Feel free to make it personal or even mention your major or any clubs you're part of. Once you've entered all the information, don't forget to click on Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your hard work in updating your profile will be stored. And that's it. You've successfully added your college to your Roblox profile using Discord. This new feature is a fantastic way to connect with other players and build community. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Roblox updates.